What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload images to Canva quickly and efficiently. The fastest way to upload an image is by dragging and dropping it directly onto your Canva canvas. In your File Explorer, locate the image you want to use. Then, drag it onto your Canva workspace. The image will automatically be placed on the canvas, and you can begin editing right away. Another method is using the Upload section. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Uploads, and then select Upload Files. This will open your File Explorer, where you can choose an image to upload. Alternatively, if you click on the three dots next to the Upload button, you will see additional upload options, allowing you to upload images directly from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, and more. If you want to upload an image without placing it on the canvas immediately, drag and drop the file onto the Uploads panel in the sidebar instead. This saves the image in your personal Canva library, so you can add it to the canvas later by simply clicking on it, just like you would with any other design element. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.